Alright dudes, this is what we're going to do. This is what I've come up with. Some of these wires, here I'll show you. Catch 'em all. Some of these wires, I come up with a solution of liquid tape. Like that one, not too bad. I just laid the wire back down in there. I'm gonna fix that one with liquid tape. Obviously got to completely fix that one. These are gonna get some liquid tape on them. This one's got to get redone, period. But that's what we're gonna be knocking out right quick. So let's go ahead and get on it, or I'm not spending all day. Anyway, this stuff is like $6 at Walmart. Sorry, I didn't flip my screen around where I can see. This is $6 at Walmart. It's called liquid tape. I don't know if you can see that. It's shitty lighting in here. But as you see, it's been soldered. I don't know if you can tell. Okay. Alright. That's it. Until we can get the I can get the other sensor. But as you see, it's got that on it. It's going to be taped and all, so it'll look uniform. I'll put some on those right there. Once I get it all taped back up, you won't never know. This one we got to fix because I got the wrong thing. And what y'all don't know is I put a ARP harmonic balancer bolt in. Alright guys, give me a few. I gotta get a new battery. Be right back. Alright guys, Anyway, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I put the harmonic balancer, the ARP on there. Dang, I still ain't got O-rings for the AC compressor where I can put it on. Next, we are going to be putting a new gas tank grommet in. Hope I got the right one. This is OE, in case y'all want to know, for a 98 specifically. Anyways, let's go ahead and get back there and put that in. I don't even know why I'm bringing this, because it's going to be too tall. Gonna have to kind of after about 20 minutes I got it in. I just held one side in like this, holding it like that, and I used a flat head. I didn't puncture, as you, I don't know if you can see, but this one's pretty rounded. It's pretty messed up. It's not sharp at all. And I just tucked the other sides in, but it is in now. The oil did make it a little easier. I think it would have been harder had I not used it. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy hung. Alright guys, that's it. New filler, neck grommets in, all that. So the gas tank is back in, the new grommet. Anyway, that's all we're doing for today. Some of these videos are going to be a little crazy, like maybe swapping and cars and stuff like that. And this car is really just hitting some random things. And the battery cable and or something else. Oh, the battery tray was a shoddy job I did because I was in too big a hurry. What we're going to do is get the car running as it is, and then I'm going to go back and fix the wire and fix the battery tray. So just know I ain't forgot about it, and it is going to get fixed. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do Mustangs.